Welcome sa ating napakasaya at napaka-exciting na event, ang Panatag Pilipinas Campaign Launch.
On the average, we have 20 typhoons at madalas dyan destructive, which cause lives and billions worth of destruction in our agriculture and infrastructure. This is a clear warning that we have to catch up in all the aspects of preparations, response, and long-term solutions. This is the reason why we are together. Kailangan pagtulong-tulungan to.
Masaya po ako na nagkaroon ng Panatag Pilipinas Movement at salamat din po at kinuha ninyo ako. Dahil ang layunin ng campaign na ito ay siyempre gawing mas simple, gawing mas relatable at hindi nakakatakot ang mensahe ng preparedness at tigit sa lahat, gawing accessible ito.
And the World Bank is one with our government partners in ensuring that lives are saved and that communities are safeguarded. This is the heart of Panatag Pilipinas. Panatag Pilipinas represents a collective effort to empower every Filipino with the knowledge and tools that they need to protect themselves and their loved ones from the impact of disasters.
Disaster preparedness should start at home. Kailangan palakasin at siguraduhin muna natin ang kaligtasan ng ating sarili at ng ating sariling pamilya. Dahil sa ganitong paraan, mas panatag ang loob tayong makatulong sa iba.
We of the World Bank and the Global Facility for Disaster Reduction and Recovery is honored to be part of this very important and timely collaboration. With Panatag Pilipinas, we take one step closer to a safer, more resilient Philippines.
We would like to extend our gratitude to the Global Facility on Disaster Reduction and Recovery and the World Bank for your support to this initiative.
I hope we can make preparedness a way of life. And we start in our homes.